In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Facebook from TikTok. Whether you're looking to enhance your privacy or simply streamline your social media connections, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open up your Facebook app or access Facebook through your web browser. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to find and select the Settings and Privacy option. Clicking on this will reveal another set of options. Among these, you'll see Settings. Click on Settings to proceed. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to scroll down until you find an option labeled Apps and Websites. This section is where you manage the apps and websites that are connected to your Facebook account. Click on Apps and Websites and you'll be taken to a new page showing all the third-party apps linked to your Facebook. Once you're on the Apps and Websites page, you'll see a list of all the apps that have access to your Facebook account. Look through this list to find TikTok. It might be useful to know that apps are often listed alphabetically, so if you're having trouble finding TikTok, keep that in mind. After locating TikTok on the list, you'll have the option to disconnect or unlink it from your Facebook account. Select the option to remove or disconnect TikTok. Follow any additional prompts to confirm this action if necessary. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully unlinked your Facebook account from TikTok. This process ensures that TikTok no longer has access to your Facebook information, providing you with more control over your privacy settings. Remember, if you ever decide to reconnect TikTok to Facebook, you can always go back and link them again through the app settings. But for now, enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your accounts are separate and your data is more secure. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day and see you next time.